Nice, my setup is looking great right now. Got the PC built, and now I can finally start streaming. Wait, but what microphone am I gonna use to stream? Today we will be unboxing this microphone that FIFINE sent me. This is FIFINE's AM8 streaming and recording microphone for gaming, podcasting, video creation, and voiceover. It has two types of audio connection. You can either use the USB-C connector or an XLR connector. It has so many more features, as you can tell from the side of the box, such as controllable RGB lights, a tap to mute button, and more. But let's just jump straight into it. I am excited to see this microphone. Of course, we've got the user's guide, but I mean, I'm not really gonna read that right now, let's be real. Kinda self-explanatory. Let's figure it out ourselves. It looks like this is the stand it comes with. It does look super nice and sleek. But let's get to the real stuff. Oh my god, this thing is so clean. I like the way it looks already. This one is gonna match my setup so well. And it comes with this little USB-C cable, but it's just an ordinary cable, nothing too special. Let me just say, I have super high expectations for this microphone because FIFINE has some pretty good products. I am super excited for this one. Let me go ahead and screw it into the stand so we can go ahead and see what it looks like. I believe this little ring right here is supposed to light up. Let me go ahead and plug it in. Guys, look at this. This thing looks so sick. It actually really does look so clean. I'm gonna go ahead and say this button is the one that lets you switch between the colors. And let me see if I can find purple. You already know I had to go with purple because everything else in my setup is set to purple. And it looks like this is how you mute and unmute yourself just with this little tap button. It's a nice little feature. And you don't have to use the stand it comes with. You can just go ahead and screw it into any other boom arm, which is what I'm going to be doing today. So let me go ahead and screw that in. Twist around, twist it. And you don't have to connect it to XLR, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this XLR cable. Let's go ahead and set up these lights so we can have sort of like a stream simulation and test out the microphone to see what it sounds like. How does it sound? This is what it would look like if you guys were streaming using this microphone, or if I was streaming using this microphone. I don't stream anymore, I just make YouTube videos now, but if I ever do stream, this is probably the mic I'll go with, because not only does it fit my setup really well, I like it a lot. And by the way, guys, this is completely unedited, raw microphone audio, just plug and play, straight up. This is what it would sound like if you plugged it in and started recording or talking to your friends on mic or something, whatever, streaming. I'm just free building right now. Oh my god, I'm getting a lot of frame drops because my PC. How does it sound? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm hoping it sounds good. Not too bad, you know. Is it loud though? Is it too loud? Let's see what it sounds like when I lower it a little bit. And also, by the way, the closer that you actually get to the microphone, the better you'll sound. Obviously, like the more warmer you'll sound and the more just crisp, like super crisp, you know. So whenever I do my voiceovers, this is kind of how close I am to the microphone. It almost makes my voice sound completely different. Like, this is just what I sound like when I'm normally playing, talking, whatever. And then as soon as I record a voiceover, this is what I kind of start sounding like, a little bit warmer and stuff. I don't know. It's people are like, yo, is that even you? Yeah, it's me. It's just just like how close I am to the microphone. But this sounds so crisp, actually. My god. I really didn't think it would sound this crisp. Let me go ahead and take off this, like, what is this? Not a pop filter, but like this sort of like foam thing over it. And see if I sound any different without it. I don't see why anybody would actually take it off. But, you know, just for testing purposes, if you like it, you should get it. I would 100% recommend this to you, and it's not because FIFINE sent this to me. I just got sent the microphone to test. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna be using it. You know what I mean? They sent it to me. I will gladly take it. And I'm being super open about it. I'm not like hiding anything. This was free for me. I would genuinely recommend this to friends and all of you guys. I do like it a lot. So there we have it.